Om Sahana Bhavatu. Sahanau Bhunaktu. Saha Viryam Karavavahai. Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Kathopanishad, first chapter, first section, fifth mantra. Bahunamemi prathamaha. Bahunamemi madhyamaha. Kigum svidyamasya kartavyam. Yanmayadya karishyati. The Kathopanishad begins with the topic of a ritual performed by the Vajashravasa, in which ritual one has to offer everything as dakshina. And that Vajashravasa has got a son called Nachiketas, a 9-year-old boy. When his father giving all his possessions as a Gurudakshina, as a dakshina to the priests, this boy saw the cows which are not useful. He is offering as dakshina, his father. Then this boy thought, any ritual, the phalam one can get on two conditions. For what purpose they do the prayojanam. That prayojanam can be fulfilled only by performing the ritual properly, number one. The ritual has to be performed properly. And the ritual gives the benefit only when we give the proper dakshina to the priest. If we don't give proper dakshina also, the ritual will not give the phalam. This much Nachiketa knows. Therefore, when he saw that father giving these useless cows as a dhanam, dakshina, to brahmanas, this boy felt, my father will not get full benefit of this ritual. Going to Swargaloka is the benefit he is expecting. Instead of going to Swargaloka, my father will go to Naraka if he gives this type of cows as dhanam. Therefore, as a son, what is my duty? I have to see that my father should go to heaven only, not to Naraka. So let me do some help to my father on this regard. I cannot say to my father, why you are giving this type of cows, I cannot ask. So, the best way is, I will also go to the priest as a dakshina, so that I can serve to those priests. Then my father will get full benefit. With that benefit, he will go to Swargaloka. After all, I am also a property of my father, possession of my father. Why not me? Then he asked his father, to whom you will give me? Dvitiyam, Tritiyam. 2 times, 3 times he asked when father is so busy. Then father said, I will give you to Yama. I will give you to Yamadharmaraja. Then this boy started thinking, I thought my father will give me to another priest so that I can serve. But my father is telling he will give me to Yamadharmaraja. My father is telling me he will give me to Yamadharmaraja. How can I serve to Yamadharmaraja? After all, a small boy, Yamadharmaraja is already having lot of people. My service won't give much benefit to Yamadharmaraja. My purpose of going to be as dakshina is, I have to be fully useful, utilized. So, if government all employees, they think like this, no problem, no? When they are taking salary, they all should. My energies, my talent should be utilized fully. They have to think and do hard work. But opposite way they are thinking. Want more money, but they don't want spend their energy. See the attitude, bhavana, difference. The boy thought, if I go to Yamadharmaraja, what is the use? But I have to fulfill that word of my father. Why my father said like this? I am a useless boy. I am not a useless boy. I am a uttamaha. Bahunamemi prathamaha. Prathamaha means uttamaha. Or not Bahunami madhyamaha, at least. Appadi kudukalame, my father, why he is telling to give to Yamadharmaraja? So he is thinking about himself. So never overestimate yourself, anartha. People many times, because of overconfidence, overestimation, they'll get lot of disappointment. A mature student, a samskara is there, always they see as they are. That boy, see how he is thinking, Bahunamemi prathamaha. No arrogance, no inferiority complex also. He is exactly thinking what way he has to think. That is very, very important values we have to learn. So important values, what we have understood? Proper performance of the rituals with Shraddha, Bhakti, important. And proper way of offering the dakshina also important. Once I receive that, any work from others, I have to offer in return. That is another value. And once father said, the second is Pitruvakya Paripalanam. I have to fulfill my father's words. So therefore, in this 5th mantra, Nachiketa thought, I am the best student among the students of my father. My father is a teacher. So among his students, I am the best student. One among them. Bahunamemi madhyamaha. At least I am the mediocre student, not adhamaha, manda student. Therefore, what can I do now? Adya. Kim kartavyam. Yat maya adya karishyati. What can I do? What should be done by me? Through me now, what my father want to accomplish, I am not able to understand. So, anyhow, better not to judge my father's decision. He knows better than me. Let me not judge my father's decision. Let me implement the father's order. That is the Vinayam, Pitru Bhakti. Let me implement my father's order. Let me not discriminate why he said, what for, like this. Let me not think of. So, in that itself, the Shreyas is there for children. When father, mother tells something, if they follow, there is a Shreyas. So, therefore, father, mother are always well-wishers of children, whom they can trust. In this world, children whom they can trust. Only father, mother. Mother and father, other than them, whom they can trust. After mother and father, only teacher they can trust, not all people. So the trust in the families is more important, that it shows how Nachiketa, the boy, has got full confidence, reverence, respect towards his father's order, statement. Then, anyhow, my father has already ordered me to Yamadharma Raja to go there. My job is what now? I have to go to Yamadharma Raja. So what I have to do? Now I have to take my father's permission. I have to take father's permission and go. He has already said, now I have to inform them. Where am I going? I have to inform. The children generally, they don't inform when they are going out. So whenever they are going out, they have to tell the mother, father, both of them, so and so place I am going. சொல்லணும். எந்த வயசு வந்தாலும் கூட அம்மா அப்பா வீட்டில் இருந்தான்னா, even the son is 50-year-old son, he has to go and tell amma. That is very, very important. Tell to mother, now so and so place I am going, and so and so time I will come. This is the Matru Bhakti. If you don't say, nothing will happen. But it is our duty. We should say. At any age. Even though she is not able to listen also. இப்படி சொல்லணும். நான் வெளியில போயிட்டு வரேன் சொல்லணும். இந்த மாத்ரு ஹிருதயம்னோ ஆல்வேஸ் அந்த சில்ட்ரன் மேல இருக்கும். அது நேச்சுரல் பயாலஜிக்கல் இன்ஸ்டிங்க்ட். வேர் இஸ் மை சன்? ஒரு க்ஷணம் வரலன்னா டைம்ல ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு எவ்வளவு கஷ்டம். அந்த பையனுக்கு தெரியாது, அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு தான் தெரியும் எவ்வளவு மனசு தவிக்கும்னா கஷ்டம். பையன் வர வேண்டிய டைமுக்கு வரலன்னா எவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்படுவா மனசு. நோ சைல்ட் கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தட். Mother only knows that. Even she cannot express how much that internal trauma she is undergoing. A person won't reach. That's why, and the mother matru vasalyam understanding is not so easy. Very, very difficult. So therefore, we have to imagine now the whole story take place. But you go to 6th mantra, only by Nachiketa's statement is going to start here. But behind that statement, there is a lot more Upanishad. Shankaracharya does homework for our sake. Mantram kadiyadu adila. So 5th mantra ki 6th mantra, Upanishad leap from one point to another point. So we will get confused. Who is talking to whom? 6th mantra. So Shankaracharya writes, the Bhashyakara, Nachiketa thought like that, and he approached his father, and he asked his father, "Oh father, please permit me to go to Yamadharma Raja." Then father asked, "Who said you have to go to Yamadharma Raja?" Then Nachiketa said, "You only said when I asked you." And I jokingly I said, my intention is not you have to go to Yamadharma Raja. I don't mean it, he says. I don't mean it that you have to go to Yamaloka, Yamadharma Raja. Just like that, casually I said. Hey, you are taking seriously. Drop that matter, father tells. That all won't get in the mantras. So this boy is thinking, what to do now? Father said already, but now he is telling, casually I said, you are not supposed to go. You need not go. I just said, I don't mean it. Actually, you have to go to Yamadharmaraja. Then that boy is asking his father. The 6th mantra begins. When father said, you need not go. Then what boy tells here? Before going to that mantra, I said that Sishya Lakshanani. He is a student. Nachiketa is a student. How a Sishya should behave with his father come guru. No? So one shloka tells, Uttama Sishya Madhyama Adhama. How? No. First line, Uttamas Chintitam Kuryat. Uttama Sishya Chintitam Kuryat. Chintitam means by thought itself he performs whatever thought by the Guru, immediately he implements. How he knows. That's why it's called Uttama Guru, Uttama Shishya. Guru மனசுல நினைக்கும் போதே என்ன நினைப்பார் குரு நினைச்சு இவனே பண்ணுவான் முன்னாடி. இன்னும் வெர்பலா வரவே இல்லை வெளியில. மனசு குரு மனசுல என்ன இருக்கலாம், என்ன இருக்கும், இந்த சிச்சுவேஷன்ல இப்போ எது பண்ணினா இந்த குருக்கு பிடிக்கும் நினைச்சு அவனே பண்ணுவான் முன்னாடியே. அதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் மீனிங். உத்தமஹா சிந்திதம் குர்யாத். சிந்திதம் மீன்ஸ் அக்கார்டிங் டு த டீச்சர்ஸ் தாட் ஹி பெர்ஃபார்ம்ஸ். That means how much observation he is having. Tremendous sensitive mind, Sukshma Buddhi. This is called Uttama Shishya. Okay. Then, second, Proktakaritu Madhyamaha. Proktakaritu Madhyamaha means the mediocre student perform only when Guru commands. Proktakaritu. When is commanded by the Guru alone. Hey, ipdi pannu. Do like this. Do like this. Chonnada pannuva. Proktakaritu madhyamaha. Madhyama, mediocre student. Then, nakuryat athamaha proktam. Athamaha, the manda student, no? Inferior student. Proktam-api na kuryat. Na kuryat madhyam adhamaha proktam. Proktam means even said by the Guru also, avan pannamata. And I forgotten. Marandata an solluva. How can you forget? Really, it is a big mistake only. Marakkaradhu annadhu enna artham? பண்ணாமல் இருக்கிறது அது ஒரு தப்பு. அப்புறம் என்ன சொல்லுவா, மறந்துட்ட சுவாமினி, நான் உங்க சொல்லல, ஜெனரலே. நகுர்யாத் அதமஹா புரோக்தம், சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட பண்ணலன்னா அதமஹான்னு அர்த்தம். வெரி 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 லோவஸ்ட் இன்ஃபீரியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் அர்த்தம். ஸோ உத்தமஹா சிந்திதம் குர்யாத், புரோக்தகாரிது மத்தியமஹா ந குர்யாத் அதமஹா புரோக்தம். Evam Shishyaha Tridha Smritehe. Evam, in this manner, Shishyaha, the disciple, Tridha, divided into 3 types. Tridha Smritehe, said by our Smriti Grandhas. So, now you see this Nachiketas. How he thought about his father and that dhanam, what he is giving, dakshina, and he will go to Naraka. He should not go to Naraka. He has to go to Swargaloka only. Therefore, I should go and serve to my father. On behalf of all this dakshina, I should go and serve. How much he has totally visualized the situation. Now another problem is, brother is telling, I don't mean like that. You need not go. He is telling, no. Once my father word, it came from the out, Vakyam came out, uttered by my father, which you are not supposed to take it back. If you take that word back, again he will get dosha. I am planning to remove one dosha of my father. If I don't go to Yamadharmaraja, again my father will get another problem. வாக்கிய பரிபாலனம் பண்ணலன்னா அது ஒரு தோஷம். ஏன்னா I will give you to Yamadharmaraja. Now he is telling you need not go. அப்ப என்ன ஆயிடும்? நான் சொன்ன வாக்கியமே நானே சாப்பிடுறேன். ஐ ஆம் ஈட்டிங் மை ஓன் வேர்ட்ஸ் நாட் ஃபுல்ஃபில்லிங். அவ்வளவு தப்புது, மகாதோஷம். ஈவன் தாட் லெவல்ல கூட இது ஒருத்தர் கொடுக்கணும்னு மனசுல வந்தாச்சுன்னு கொடுக்கணுமா வேண்டாமா கொடுக்கணுமா வரக்கூடாது, அது தோஷமா. எல்லாம் கஷ்டம் சுவாமி இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் நினைச்சு. The people live like that on this land. It is not a joke. How they have trained themselves. This is called tapas. Their whole life governed by the values. So, now, Nachiketa is asking his father, advising his father, giving suggestion also. See, 8-year-old boy, eppadi appaku paadam solli kodukra paarengo. We'll read the mantra. Anupashya yatha purve pratipashya tatha pare sasyamiva martyah paschate sasyamivajayate punah. Oh father, he is telling to his father, yatha tava purve, tava you have to supply, tava purve, your forefathers, purve means ancestors, just as your ancestors, that means my great 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 grandfathers, like Shibi Chakravarti, Janaka Maharaja, Dashratha Maharaja, not only grandfathers, our elders, all great people, how they followed their vakyam. Once you utter, they have fulfilled that. Like that, you also must follow. Yatha tava purve anupashya. You see them. How our forefathers were, anupashya. You just remind yourself how they implemented their words. Dashratha, when he gave 3 boons to Kaikeyi, Kaikeyi tells, asks that boons. So Dashratha Maharaja tells, don't ask those boons, you ask something else other than that. She asked Rama to go to forest. Among 3 boons, 1 boon is that. So Rama has to go to forest. Dashratha bewildered, he is very much disturbed. And Dashratha tells, see, I make Bharata as a king, no problem. But don't ask Rama to go to forest. Please, withdraw that. You ask something else. Then Kaikeyi tells to Dasharatha, that slokam, pranam vapi parityajya. She tells to Dasharatha Maharaja, Kaikeyi, when Dasharatha asked like this, don't ask that. Then Kaikeyi tells, pranam vapi parityajya mana eva abhirakshatu. Pranam ponalum kuda parvala. Parityajya manam eva abhirakshatu. Manam is abhimanam. No, ninga chonna vaartha inde maarakudadu. You said you will give boon whatever I ask. Now how can you ask to change my boon? It is wrong. Why, she says, anitye bhavati pranaha. Pranam ponalum pohatam. Pranam ande anityam. Anitye bhavati pranaha. Manastu achandra tarakam. The self-respect, self-esteem annade achandra tarakam. As long as the moon, sun, stars are there, achandra tarakam. எத்தனை நாள் இருக்குமோ அத்தனை நாள் உன்னுடைய கீர்த்தி அப்படியே இருக்கும். இன்னைக்கு தசரதன் இப்படி சொல்லிட்டாரே, பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் வைஃப் ஓன்லி ஹி சேஞ்ச் ஹிஸ் வேர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் எவ்ரி திங். அப்படி வரும். யூ ஆர் நாட் சப்போஸ் டு சே லைக் தட். Therefore, you have to follow the word what you have given. So she tells, pranam vapi parityajya. You have to give what? Respect. That atma gauravam. சொன்ன வார்த்தைக்கு அதை have to implement. என்ன ஆனாலும் பரவாயில்ல. அதான் మానం ఏవ అభిరక్షతు అనిత్యే భవతి ప్రాణః మానస్తు ఆచంద్ర తారకం. అది మాదిరి. సో నచికేత ఆస్కింగ్ హిస్ ఫాదర్ నౌ, సి అనుపశ్య హౌ దే ఫాలోడ్. நீங்க கூட அப்படி ஃபாலோ பண்ண வேண்டாமோ? வாட் ஐ சே ஐ டோன்ட் மீன் இட், வாட் ஐ மீன் ஐ டோன்ட் சே. அப்படி இருக்கலாமோ? மனசியேகம் வச்சஸ்யேகம் கர்மணி ஏகம் மகாத்மனः. மை ஃபாதர் ஷுட் பி அ மகாத்மா, a great person. நீங்க சொன்னது வேற, நினைக்கிறது வேற, என்ன பண்றது வேற. அப்படி இருக்கலாமா? மனசு ஏகம், வச்சஸ்ஸு ஏகம், கர்மணி ஏகமேவ மகாத்மனः. எல்லாமே ஒன்னாதான் இருக்கணும், தனித்தனியா இருக்கக்கூடாது. வச்சசி அந்யத், மனசி அந்யத், கர்மணி அனத் துராத்மனः. So once you have said that you will give me to Yamadharmaraja, I have to go. Tadha pratipashya, alochaya. Pratipashya means you also think over. You also think over how our ancestors, elders followed. Better. Apare మర్త్యః పచ్యతే ఇవ సస్యమివ ఆజాయతే పునః సస్యమివ మర్త్యః పచ్యతే. These present generations are also following that. Not only our ancestor, now the present generation also, whatever they utter, the vakya paripalanam they do. Once they say, you also do like that. You remember your ancestors and the present time people also, all of them are doing. You also must be like that. Otherwise, what is the greatness? Person also born like man, decays and dies. Martyaha, manushyaha. Martyaha means manushyaha. Pachyate means jeernaha, mriyate in artham. He will die. What? Like what? Sasyam iva, like a plant. The grass plant, like small grass. Ade just molaka vadnadum poyidum. It will born and it will die. What is the greatness? Mind. Human being also born and died. அதுக்கு அந்த கிராஸுக்கு உனக்கு என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ்? சஸ்யமிவ மர்த்தியः பச்யதே. Again what will come? Sasyamiva ajayate. Again he will born. So what is the greatness? Following that value, dharma is important. Ajayate means avirbhavati. What is that meaning? Like a plant, person will born and die again and again like a plant. Therefore, for this life's sake, why you don't worry? Even I go there, adudani unga kavalai. Na poiduven problem for you. Don't bother about me. What about this prana body? Let it go. But I want your word to be implemented. That is what is the intention of Nachiketa. Please send me to Yamadharmaraja. Please send me. You permit first. Without your permission, I can't go. So I request you, you remember your ancestors, how they have implemented their words. You also implement like that, and please send me. With your permission only I can go there. And he is asking. நம்ம குழந்தை என்ன எப்போ எஸ்கேப் பண்ணலாமா, ஓடி போயிடுவோம், அவ்வளவுதான். இதெல்லாம் ஆப்போசிட் பாருங்க. நச்சிகேதஸ் இன்சிஸ்டிங் his father to implement his own வாக்கியம். அவர் வாக்கியம் இவருக்கு என்ன ப்ராப்ளம்? That shows the Pitru Bhakti as well as his duty also. As a Putraha, his duty, responsibility. As a Pitru Bhakti mulama, how his father should behave. That means, even though he is a Balaha, Jnana Vruddhaha. Jnanathila, he is an elderly person. So father has to listen. Adhe vidamatane in the Manasi Pratishtita. May walk. On my words, let the mind also be there. I should not say what I mean, I should say. What I say, I mean it. Appadi irukkanum. I'll repeat again. What I mean only I should say. What I say only I mean it. Vaak mein manasi pratishtita. Vaak, what I speak, manasi pratishtha means I mean it. Vaak me manasi pratishtita, mano me vachi pratishtitam. Manasula enna irukka adipatha, the words also should come along with the thought. மனசுல ஒன்னு நினைக்கிறது, வாயால ஒன்னு சொல்றது பண்ணக்கூடாது. It is not fair. That is the prayer also we are having on Saraswati. And another beautiful sloka is there. How the Satpurusha's words are so powerful. Why other people's words are not powerful? Even though they are talking casually also, they are very, very powerful. The sloka tells, Sadbhistu leelaya proktam. Satpurushaha, sadbhihi tu, by the wise people, by the good people or noble people. Sadbhistu leelaya proktam. Idu casually chonna. Leelaya proktam. Not deliberately telling. Just like that he uttered. Sadbhistu leelaya proktam. It is equal to Shila Likhitam Aksharam. It is as good as equal to writing on the stone. If you write on the stone, but it is years together, generations it will stay. Shila Likhitam Aksharam. Sadbhistu Leelaya Proktam. Why is Shila Likhitam? It is because he is Satpurushaha. His word is having that much value. Shila Likhitam. Form and artham. Asadbhistu, if he is not a noble person. Asadbhihina. Not following any values, not following any disciplines. No tapas is there. Tapas shakti is not there. Ordinary person, suppose. Asadbhihi to shapathenapi. Suppose even he promise. If he promise also, that it is like shapathenapi jale likhitam aksharam. It is equal to jale likhitam. தண்ணில எழுத எப்படி இருக்கும்? போயிடும். இருக்குமா? நீங்க எழுதும் போதே ஒரு அக்ஷரம் நெக்ஸ்ட் அக்ஷரத்துக்குள்ள இது போயிடும். அசத்பிஹி words are like that. அசத்பிஸ்து சபதேன சபதேனாபி ஜலே லிখিதம் அக்ஷரம். So the Satpurusha, that's why people always tell their problems to Mahatmas. Generally people call, and that's why they put all in front of that Mahatmas. ஏன்னா அவங்க கிட்ட சொன்னா எல்லாம் நல்லதா நடக்கணும், நல்லபடி நடக்கணும் சொன்னா போதும். ஏன்னா it will happen. This Shila Likhitam Aksharam. Because how people are having confidence here and now. I got a phone call from Andhra Pradesh today early morning, and his wife is not well, it seems. Suddenly he got my phone call and he reading phone call. Just he putting that problem in front of me. So if I put in front of you, that means what they feel? Their sankalpa nalla nadakum. She will become all right and chonna avanukku poduma. She will become all right and chonna. That means what? They have such an expectation. A sannyasini, a Swamiji, if they utter a word, it will happen. What a belief in the Natla. So reverence is asking. Once he saw me somewhere, in some place, and he got my number and he rang up. So that's why in Samajam, in our culture also till today, people go and tell to Mahatmas and they will bless. If they bless, it will happen. The concepts. Tremendous faith. That shloka tells, Sadbhistu leelaya proktam. அவங்களை இன்டென்ஷனாக கூட சொல்ல மாட்டேன். நல்லா நடக்கும், வெரி குட் எவ்ரிதிங் சொன்னாலே போதும். என்னதான் சொல்ல முடியும் சன்னியாசினிக்கு யார் சுவாமிக்கு? யாராவது வந்து வெரி குட் எவ்ரிதிங் வில் வென் கோ ஆன் வெல், டோன்ட் வரின்னு சொன்னா அப்படி. மை ஃபாதர் கூட அப்படி இருக்கணுமோ இல்லையோ? நச்சிகேதா இஸ் எக்ஸ்பெக்டிங் ஹிஸ் ஃபாதர் ஆஸ் எ மகாத்மா. சத்பிஹி வேர்ட்ஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கணுமே. அசத்பிஹி வேர்ட்ஸ் என்ன? ஹி கேனாட் அண்டர் எஸ்டிமேட் ஹிஸ் ஃபாதர். வட்டே Nachiketa is there. Unparallel. No one is equal to Nachiketa. Okay. That's why Sankalpa Shakti is so powerful. No? Mind has got a powerful. Okay. These are all Guna Brahmana Lakshanas. I am not talking about by birth Brahmana. Whoever is having this type of mentality, mind, nature, they are all called Guna Brahmanas. By Guna, they are Brahmanas. By birth, whatever may be the caste, doesn't matter. Guna Brahmanas. That's why during Yaga especially, another important point we have to note. And டியூரிங் யாகா அந்த ஆஸ்பிஷியஸ் பிளேஸ்ல ஹோமகுண்டம் ஃபயர் அக்னி எல்லாம் இருக்கிற இடத்துல நீங்க ஒரு வார்த்தை சொன்னா அது பண்ணிதான் ஆகணும். ஏதோ நார்மல் ஆன் த ரோட் யூ ஆர் நாட் டாக்கிங், ஓ மை ஃபாதர் யூ ஹவ் ஸ்போக்கன் அட்டர்ட் திஸ் வேர்ட் இன் த யஜ்ஞசாலா. இந்த யஜ்ஞ தேவதா will accept your words like this to talk. Therefore don't say like that. Anupashya pratipashya is telling. Next mantra we will read. Now you have to, Shankaracharya tells, now he has gone, he has taken permission. You have to imagine, father gave permission. Ival sonnadukku appuram father what he can do, he gave permission and he went to Yamaloka. Yamadharmaraja irukra idam enna? Yamaloka. So Yamadharmaraja irukra edathukku eppadi ponar enna? Because of his pitru bhakti, he has got such a power, he can go there. What power made him to reach Yamaloka, to Yamadharmaraja? Sheer reverence towards his father. That's why you have Guru Bhakti. You know that Guru Bhakti, one person walked on the lotus petals on the water because of Guru Bhakti. Guru also tried, he went inside the water. Because of Guru Bhakti, that person walked on the leaves, on the water he walked. Then one person, see, now Pitru Bhakti Mulama, he went to Yamaloka to meet Yamadharmaraja. Now he went in there. What happened? There Yamadharmaraja is not in house. He has gone out because he is very busy. So he is not in station. So people said in the house, Yamadharmaraja is not there, please come inside. They asked Yamadharmaraja, wife, ministers, all of them are there. They asked him, you please come and stay, wait until Yamadharmaraja comes. He will come definitely. Please come and come and. Then this boy said, no, I am not supposed to come inside when Yajamana is not there. Too disciplined, no? When Yajamana is not there, only ladies are there in the house. When they are there, Yajamana is not there, I am not supposed to enter in the house. Therefore, I will wait outside. Then at least you take water, food. No. Until Yajamana comes, Yajamana has to offer. Without Yajamana's permission, I am not supposed to drink water. Without Yajamana's permission, I am not supposed to eat also. Then he stayed 3 days without food and water and staying outside the house, palace. Then what happens? We'll read the 7th mantra. Vaishvanara Pramishati Atithir Brahmano Grihan Tasyaitagum Shantim Kurvanti Hara Vaivasvatodakam. After 3 days, Yamadharmaraja came back. Then in the house people, the ministers and these ladies in the house, they are all telling to Yamadharmaraja. They are all waiting when Yamadharmaraja will come. They want to give this news to him. ஐயோ இந்த பையன் ஒன்றும் சாப்பிடாமனு வெளியில் உட்கார்ந்துருக்கானே, எவ்வளோ பாப்பம் வரப்போறதோ நமக்கு பயந்து. And they rush to Yamadharmaraja. Come, you see, one boy is waiting outside. You please go and give water, offer water, please welcome him. You offering, do Atithi Satkaram for him. And a lot of people are asking him. Yamadharmaraja also stunned. And what he does, what is happening there, the situation. Vaishvanaraha Grihana Pravishati Brahmanaha Atithihi Etam Shantim Tasya Kurvanti. They said, Yamadharmaraja, oh Yamadharmaraja, you see, when Atithi comes in their house, what they do generally? They offer water to wash their feet, and to drink water they will give. Argyam, Padyam, Ellame they will do. This is our culture. Kurvanti means what? Here, you see that. Brahmanaha atidihi etam shantim tasya kurvanti. Whenever the guest comes, atithi means what? Na dvitiyam titihi vidyate yasya atidihi. The one who never stays, the second tithi is called atithi. So that atithi, when he comes, generally what is our culture? Generally we have to do satkara, pacify. Etam shantim tasya kurvanti. To that atithi, all our people, noble people, they serve to the atithi immediately. Why they serve? Reason. They say, it is like a Vaishwanaraha grihan pravashiti. It is like entering, atithi entering in the house is equal to the fire entering the house. Fire enters the house, enna pannu? Dahanam. It burns everything. Like that, a Brahmana atithi, when enters in the house, is like equal to the fire is entering in the house. The fire enna pannu udane, fire vanda udane, you have to put water. You have to pour water everywhere and the fire will get shantam. Shantam ayidu fire. Pole enna ella bhasmi patalam pannidum appadiye. It will burn everything, it makes everything into ashes. In the atithi kuda appadidhaan. Avanukku shantim na kurvanti. If they won't, he need not say anything. Words vedila sollave venda. Avan manasiki na padyam arghyam snanadikam aharam kudukalanna, that agni like the atithi will get disturbance, and it is as good as destroying your own house. That is why in our culture they say Atithi Devo Bhava, they say, along with Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. Next, Atithi Devo Bhava. Atithi is equal to Deva. Why? He is like a fire. Just as a fire burns the house, where there is no respect to the Atithi in any house. Next mantra also telling, therefore what they say, Vaishwanaraha grihan pravishati atidhihi brahmanaha. A Brahmin guest is equal to a fire entering in the house. Therefore our people, what they do? Kurvanti is there. Santaha satpurushaha kurvanti. You have to supply. The noble people, good people, they immediately invite the atithi. In one village, every village, generally, when they are eating, before eating, they have to offer food. One person at least they have to call. They'll come outside. If anybody is there, please come for food. And they have to call and offering food for them. After that person taken food, whatever remain, only they have to eat. And the village, everybody gives like that. But one house, regularly one Brahmana is coming, he is getting from many houses, one day, one house. One house, nobody called even single day. Then he thought, why this house people are not calling? He has got a doubt. Anyhow, somehow I will go to this house today. What they do, this wife and husband, romba conjusive people. No? They don't want to give anything to anybody. What they did, daily, யாரும் இல்லாத போது வெளியில வந்து யாராவது இருந்தா வாங்கோன்னு கூப்பிட்டுட்டு போயிடுவோம் உள்ள. உடனே தாப்பால் போட்டுட்டு they will sit inside and eat. So when people are not there, surrounded by, they go and shout. இது பண்ணணும் அந்த கிராமத்துல, இது கம்பல்சரி. So that time they say, if anybody is there, please come for food, and they will shout. இவங்களுக்கு ஜாப் என்னன்னா, nobody is there, that time they will go and they will call. But one day this person is sitting. பார்க்குறேன் இன்னைக்கு என்ன பண்ண போறான். Then when they open the door, please come, who anybody is there for food, and இவன் உட்கார்ந்துருக்கான். And wife and husband are looked at both of them. So what they did, சரி கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க சொல்லி இது கதை மூடிட்டு உள்ள போயிட்டான். சமையல் பண்ணிட்டு நான் வரேன், நீங்க வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. என்ன பண்ணிட்டான், this both of them planned, hey, how to escape from this person, Atithi. What they planned, no? Inside they went. Wife gave an idea to husband. What idea? See, if we both of us fight each other, if we both of us fight each other, the guest will not come. எங்கெங்க சண்டை நடக்குமோ வீட்டில் அங்கே வந்து அதிதி சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. மனசு சாந்தமா இல்லாத வீட்டில் కానీ சண்டை நடக்கிற வீட்டில் కానీ போய் சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. எனி கெஸ்ட், எனி சன்னியாசி ஆர் சுவாமினி ஆர் எனிபடி, even guest also equal to deva. So we both of us will fight, and he will go away. அது எப்படி, how to fight? Then what she said, she herself planned. You see, you act as though you are beating me. I will cry loudly. Okay, then that person will go away. Sorry, okay, I will do. He is acting as though beating, she is crying. He is beating, she is crying. Then after some time they opened the door, the person gone. He is not there. நான் சொன்ன பார்த்தியா, பிளான் கரெக்டாக we have now succeeded. போய் நல்லா போய் ரெண்டு பேருமே they are sat to eat. Then when they are eating, is going to start, the wife is, husband is telling, அடிக்காமல் அடிச்சேனே சொன்னார். அடிக்காமல் அடிச்சேனே, without beating I have beaten you. She is telling, you are great. நான் கூட என்ன அடாமல் அழுதேனே, as though crying I am, but not without crying. அவன் மேல உட்கார்ந்து கீழ் டமால குதிச்சு போகாமல் வந்தேனே, போகாமல் வந்தேனே. அவன் என்ன பண்றது? There are people, some people want to escape to not to give. So those days, people depend only on the house when they give. No restaurants, no 5-star hotels, no like this, daba, fast food and all here. They're all not available. So those days must, what they do? Nowadays, but don't open. Guest and சொன்னாரு சொல்லி எல்லாரும் வந்து எல்லாம் ஓபன் பண்ணக்கூடாது டோர். வெரி கேர்ஃபுல் nowadays. ஜாகிரதையா இருங்க. Okay. So what is the value here? We have to understand the value of Vakya Paripalanam. We have understood, and the value of Atidhi Satkaram. What they said? Hara Udakam Vaihe Vaivasvata. Hey Vaivasvata, oh Lord Yama, Vivaswan Putraha. Vivaswan means Suryaha. Yamadharmana Raja is the son of Surya Bhagavan. Vaivasvata. So therefore he is called Vaivasvata. Vivaswan apatyam puman. Vivasvataha apatyam puman. Vaivasvataha. Oh Vaivasvata, please bring water. Hara udakam. Ahara anartham. Hara means what? Ahara. Please bring. For pada prakshalanam. Please bring water. Next mantra we will read. Mantra 8. Asha pratikshe sangatagum sunrutancha. Asha pratikshe sangatagum sunrutancha. Ishta purte putra pasugumscha sarvan. Ishta purte putra pasugumscha sarvan. Etad vrungte purushasyaalpamedhasah. Etad vrungte purushasyaalpamedhasah. Yasyanashnan vasati brahmano gruhe. Yasyanashnan vasati brahmano gruhe. What will happen if a person is not welcomed properly, the guest is not served properly? What will happen? What is the nashtam will take place in that house? The mantra tells, Asha pratikshe sangatagam sunrutancha ishta purte putra pashuguscha sarvan etat vrungte. Vrungte means he lose everything. The yajamana of that house Brahmanaha vurungte. This Atithi Brahmanaha is not taken care of by those hosts. No? The person who is giving the hospitality is a host. So that hospitality is not done by the Yajamana. This Atithi Brahmanaha vrungte means he destroys. Not intentionally. Intentionally he will not do. That Atithi, that he has come as Atithi, it happens as though he destroys. Vrungtena. So the punyam he neutralizes. The punyam of this Yajamana he neutralizes. Atithi வேணுமனு பண்ண மாட்டான். இவன் சரியா எஜமான சரியா இருந்தான்னா அப்படியே நடக்கும் நடக்காது. சரியா இல்லைன்னா என்ன ஆகும் ಅನ್ನೋದೇ சொல்றோம் இங்க. So Brahmin, the guest, will neutralize or destroy the spirituality, no? Spiritual punya, that which will help for spiritual life, future lives. What are all he is going to lose? Unna ஒரே லிஸ்ட், பிக் லிஸ்ட். ஆஷா பிரதீக்ஷேன். And all his hopes and expectations. Asha pratikshe. First, this Brahmana will neutralize the Yajamana's all hopes. It will be diluted. All hopes means, here our commentators, many of them write in a different ways. Asha means what? Pratiksha means what? Asha means Anirgnata praptyaihi, important word. Anirgnata praptyaihi ishtartha prarthana asha. Asha means waiting for something which has not planned. Which has not planned. Which is unknown to me. I am planning for Swarga, which is unknown to me. ஆசை இருக்க, சொர்க்கத்துக்கு போகணும்னு ஆசை இருக்க, தெரியுமா சொர்க்கம் தெரியாதுன்னு, அந்த ஹோப்பு போயிடும். ஹோப் யூ வாண்ட் டு கோ டு ஸ்வர்கா will get destroyed. By whom? By this Atithi, who is not served properly by that Yajamana, will go away. That is called Anirgnatam, not Gnatam. Anirgnatam praptehi. வரவேண்டியது ஏதாவது இருந்தா அது தெரியாத unknown things, ishtartha prarthana. There is ishtam, there is a prarthana, but that he cannot get it. That is called asha. Then pratiksha. Pratiksha means nirikshanam. Nirikshanam means nirgnata praptyartham pratikshanam pratiksha. Nirgnata means unknown. Suppose a person waiting, no? Somebody said, I will come so and so time. You are waiting. Nirikshanam pandrathu. Known. This is known. That person said, I have promised me he will come. But what I am doing? I am waiting for that person. So, andi kuda poidum. And the expectation kuda fulfill ஆகாமலே போயிடும். So, ஆஷாவும் போயிடும். Expectations all எல்லாமே futile ன்னு அர்த்தம். They will not serve properly. All our hopes and expectations will fail. Number one. Then sangatam. Sangatam means the punya, that which we have drawn because of satsanga. By meetings, good people, we have acquired a lot of punya. வெச்சிட்டு உள்ள புண்ணியம் எல்லாம் அந்த சத்சங்கம் மூலமா வந்து புண்ணியம் எல்லாமே போயிடும். என்ன இந்த அதிதி எதுக்கப்பா வரணும் நம்ம வீட்டுக்கன்னா வருவா, என்ன பண்றது? So all our punya, what we have acquired through satsanga, he will take away. Sangatam. Not only that, sunrutam. Another important. Sunruta means by noble speech, by satya vak. Whatever punya I have acquired, all that punya also will get destroyed. It will be neutralized because of this Brahmana. Adhidi. When he is not taken care of properly. So Sunrutam means here Anudvegakaram. There is a beautiful shloka. Noble speech means Anudvegakaram Vakyam. What is noble speech? நல்ல வார்த்தை என்ன, அனுத்வேகரமா பேசணும், உத்வேகம் இல்லாமலே. when I talk, other people should not get hurt. Anudvegakaram vakyam, number 1. Number 2, satyam. I have to speak truth. That truth also must be priyam, must be pleasant to other person. Priyam, anudvegakaram and satyam and priyam. Not only priyam, hitam also. Anudvegakaram vakyam satyam priya hitam chayat. Krishna Paramatma tells in 17th chapter. So the speech should be not hurting others. That type of speech should come from my mouth. And truth only, avoidance of lies. That too priyama irukana. Satyam anu solli avanukku priyama illada sollakudadu. Adukku vera shlokame irukka. Satyam bruyat, speak truth. பிரியம் புரியாத், பிரியமான சத்தியம் பேசப்பான்னா. நீங்க குரங்கு மாதிரி இருக்கேன்னு சொல்லலாமா? சொல்லக்கூடாது. பிரியம் புரியாத், நப்ரூயாத் சத்தியம் அப்பிரியம். நப்ரூயாத் சத்தியம்தான், பிரியம் இல்லைன்னு அது பேசாதே, என்ன சும்மா இருன்னு. நப்ரூயாத் சத்தியம் அப்பிரியம். பிரியஞ்சான் அன்ருத்தம் ப்ரூயாத், பிரியமா இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி அன்ருத்தம் பேசாதே என்ன. He is very beautiful, she is very beautiful, say very beautiful. So பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்க, அப்போ வெரி பியூட்டிஃபுல்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஒரு வார்த்தை எக்ஸ்ட்ரா சொன்னா கூட you are losing the tapasakti. When it is very nice, so nice ன்னு சொல்லணும். சோவா இருக்க, but to want to please her, what do you say? ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்க, போச்சு tapasakti. More in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.